S212 Racing here. So, like I said, I was gonna promise you guys a flight video on the new DJI, well, not new DJI, but the DJI Phantom 3 standard. Right now we're getting calibrated and set up, so we'll take a flight around here, probably somewhere not very far from here, but at least take a flight. To see you guys in a minute. See that there? Yeah. It's awesome, guys. I told you it's really stable in the air. Is that you? Hey guys, so we're back. We're done from flying the drone. I will be doing a video over by a field soon, so stay tuned for that. Yesterday was my birthday, but I'm at my dad's right now, so we're having like a second birthday for me here today. So yeah, this is my dog, Buddy. What's up, Bud? So yeah, you can see him in this video. I want to leave an explanation whose dog this is. Obviously he's mine, but yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed like this small preview of what I gave you on what the drone's gonna be like. It's pretty stable in the air, as you heard when I said in that video. It was actually like 10 mph